And I want to tell you, honorable members, I have got a report and I've only shared this. Now I can officially tell you, I have only shared this with the leader of opposition. I have got an assassination report wanting to assassinate me. Oh. Yes. So, yes.
No, that is the one.
Right, Honorable Speaker and colleagues, we cancel that demon. Right, Honorable Speaker and colleagues, this government respects the rule. We are always praised for the security of this country. And anybody who tampers with the security of this country will be dealt with. And therefore, I want to inform colleagues and this House that the government of NRM is present, not absent. We are in charge. These small punctuated areas will be addressed, and we are investigating the matter. That Honorable Speaker.
Madam Speaker.
Honorable members, as we have said, the investigation must take place. And Honorable Prime Minister, investigate on what is happening and start with even mine, because it's not a hearsay. It is not a hearsay. Follow it up with the Minister of Internal Affairs. It is a reality. Yes, up to now.
Madam Speaker.
Micah is still followed up to now.
Madam Speaker,
Honorable members.
As your member, Madam Speaker.
Honorable members, we need a report on those arrests, on the assassinations,